Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2017 Jeep Patriot High Altitude. Under the hood we have a 2.4-liter i4 engine and a 6-speed automatic transmission. This guy's in granite, looks great. You got that Jeep badging up front there with your halogen headlights, and you do have your fog lights down there. Coming around the side here, we do have our 17-inch rims with our Firestone brand tires. They look great. You do also have your heated exterior mirrors right there, and coming all the way around to the back of the vehicle, we got that high altitude badging as well as the Jeep in the 4x4. Now we can open it up just right here. Looks great back here, lots of room. Those seats do fold forward as well. And under here you do have your spare tire in case you did ever need it. Okay, we have our keys here, 2 pressed to unlock, 1 press to lock, and we do have 2 presses to activate our remote start. Especially nice in the winter, get it nice and warm for you, or in the summer, cool it off for you. Now, let's unlock and let's take a look on the inside here. So on the door, you do have electric mirrors, windows, and locks all right here. You got your handle here, and some storage down here. Looks great in here. The leather is very nice and comfortable. You do have the controls over the seat, so backward and forward, as well as the tilt there. Up here, we do have the control over the high beams, turning signals, as well as you have your auto, your daytime running lights, low beams, and your off, all right there. Okay, let's start her up here. Key in the ignition, and we're good to go. Now right in the center here, we do have our speedometer and our odometer, as well as our fuel gauge and our engine temperature. Right there does tell us how many kilometers we have, which is 47,000, not too bad. You can switch that around to your trip A and B, as well as the temperature outside. That is controlled from right here. You also have your horn in the center and your cruise control options right there. Over here, we do have the controls over our windshield wipers. And in the center, we do have our 6.5-inch touchscreen display right there. You do have your voice recognition, your call out for your Bluetooth. You do have your radio. It does have Sirius XM. You have your AM and your FM as well, all in there. Media tab here, if you have one hooked up. You also have a hard disk drive on here. You can load music right onto there. You have your volume up and down with the power. Get this button to load CD in there, right back there if you wanted. Then you do have your menu button right here, your audio and your files, as well as you got your navigation right up there. You do have your USB and an aux cord plug-in. Down here we do have the power up and down with the circulation. You have your AC and heat, and then you do have your defrosts over here. And then down here we have our heated seats, our traction control, and our hazard lights, as well as a bit of storage here. Gear shift right here, and down here we do have our cup holders with our parking brake and our control over the 4-wheel. You got this guy here, looks great, and the bottom layer right there. And then over here we do have our dual layer glove box, so top layer and bottom layer right there. And up top we do have our control over our sunroof, which looks great. Let's take a look in the back. Open this guy up. On the door here, you have some chrome accenting on the handle, control over your windows, handle here, and some storage. Looks great back here, very spacious. Does seat 3 people back here, so 5 altogether. You got your cup holders there, and pulling this guy, you can fold these down, and you do have some extra room right there as well. There's our 2.4-liter i4 engine. Well, that does it for my walk-around video, the 2017 Jeep Patriot High Altitude. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.